The University of the Philippines, Ateneo de Manila University, and De La Salle University ranked lower in the latest Quacquarelli-Simons World University Rankings, or QS. UP is now ranked 384th in the world, 17 spots lower than its 367th rank in 2017. AdMU fell to 651 to 700 from 551 to 600. DLSU ranked lower at 801 to 1000 in 2018 from 701 to 750 in 2017. The University of Santo Tomas maintained its rank among the top 801 to 1000 universities in the world. UST again received 4 QS stars after rating well in employability, facilities, social responsibility, and inclusiveness. In addition to this, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the United States also remained the world's top university. The National University of Singapore is the best in Asia and the 11th best university overall. The top 10 universities globally are Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Stanford University, Harvard University, California Institute of Technology, University of Oxford, University of Cambridge, ETH Zurich, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, Imperial College London, University of Chicago, and UCL or University College London. This year, the QS World University Rankings featured 980 institutions, with 959 qualifying for an overall rank. A total of 4,388 institutions were reviewed this year. Universities were ranked based on 6 indicators: academic reputation 40%, employer reputation 10%, student-to-faculty ratio 20%, citations per faculty 20%, international faculty ratio 5%, and international student ratio 5%.